What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be cleaning my K&N filter, the recleanable ones with this K&N recharge right here. I'll show you guys how to do it. It's really easy. Just unscrew this screwdriver. Now that it's out, you see it's really easy. Just apply the cleaner, which is this one right here. I'm gonna spray it on there, and next I'm gonna dry it. Well, rinse it first, then dry it. And then you apply the oil filter, which is that one right there. Make sure when you spray it, you get in between every line you spray it really well, so you can clean it out really well. I already sprayed it. Next, I'm gonna rinse it out with water. When you're gonna rinse it out, make sure you put the water hose inside through here and rinse it outwards, so the dirt goes outwards, not in. After that, you're just gonna let it dry. You can let it dry outside in the sun, or I'm actually gonna use this hair dryer right here to help it dry out quickly. And just don't overheat it, just, do it lightly. Now that it's dry, I'm gonna spray it with the oil filter. So, here it goes. You don't want to spray it too much because then it'll just get clogged. You just want to spray it just enough. Make sure you also don't want to be breathing this thing in. So it's really windy right now, so the mist goes away. This thing is not just for one, so do not use this whole thing on one. I probably used it like twice already. Probably last 3 or 4 times. One last little spray. There we go. I'm gonna let that dry about 15 minutes and then put it back in. And that'll be it.